Opposition leader Nelson Chamisa has cautioned against embracing deceit and unjustly gained advantages, citing the biblical wisdom of Proverbs 20 verse 17. He emphasized that every action has consequences and urged the people to consider the long-term effects of their choices. Chamisa's statement was seen as a veiled reference to the country's political landscape, where allegations of corruption and deceit have been rampant. His message resonated with many who feel disillusioned with the current state of affairs. The opposition leader's words have sparked a national conversation about the importance of integrity and ethical leadership. As the country navigates its political challenges, Chamisa's statement serves as a reminder of the need for transparency and accountability.